morning, good morning. Great morning, everybody. We're outdoors today, doing a little nature walk. Waterfall. So pretty. Yeah, the rain fell. It's been raining, so the pond and all the wildlife is not looking as it should, but I figured I'd still come and walk because it's a little bit humid yet misty. And this is the outdoors right now at one of these parks that I like to walk in. I just love this waterfall. It's so tranquil, relaxing. Just doing a little meditation to ground myself with nature, and it's one thing I like is nature. Being surrounded by trees and rocks and water is just so rejuvenating. It's nothing like a early morning walk in nature with your tea. I don't do much coffee, but your tea, taking deep breaths, and just thinking upon life